Shoots sinking in. Ilaba abantu labaya.
Hello guys. Siphelelwe idatha. Beliphelile idatha nge-birthday yami. Portia, we see you there. We love you.
Wena le ndololwane le. Soba nenkingi.
We hate you. Gift khuluma kahle. We hate you. Hawu.
Angisho vele into nayo le hate. We hate you.
Abe we hate. Ngifuna ukuthi hate. We hate you means we love you. Ngifuna abantu abazongiculela ukuthi manje abazongiculela happy birthday hayi manje ne we still have a long day abazongiculela happy birthday bazoba i-background song yami bazoba abantu abacula ngale ngemuva ngicela ubona balance hobani ngwetsatshwalo hobani gift khuluma kahle
ubani ngwetsatshe
ubani ngwetsatshe
tshena
bese uyothenga idatha bese liphelile idatha nge-birthday yami. Like my birthday I'm like iziningi izinto ezenzakalayo ngisho abanye basiminyela abo like abafuna usibona si right
hawo
abo like into ngiyojiva yona kusasa anathi into yojiva kusasa kulo December ngiyolimi necommission obelinye incimbi kada
uyabonzani
shangicosha ama-fade like ngicongipombe ithi jo pojo mina ngikwazi ithi wena jo pojo
into nawo ungakwazi ukuyenza
okay ithi ke jo pojo now phela ngiphi vibe
jo ngicela ungachithi le ngoma zingizwashile
konje uchamile izolo sorry sorry keep it sorry la ngiyaxoxa ngisorry asiphume lapho
ubani uthi iqiniso lelo
Thank you to those who are saying happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. May God bless you guys. But I have a serious problem. As you can see, I didn't eat cake. The cake is here. I don't know why. You see, this is a cake from Woolies, from Woolworths. That chocolate one, 250. Malema. Like why usemuva always like as why usemuva buzani mina ngitsheleni story saka like. Like it guys. Malema iyo ngicela kuyivala malema TikTok awuzwana leyo class okay siyabonga but TikTok akazwani neclass
awuzwana leyo class kanjani
I don't understand mara funi thank you for your circumstances thank you you help us ngobe soba nenkinga maybe
ngingani nali class
ntona lisusi yazi bathi sokumara uyathanda
now uyathemba
ungathi ngiyathemba like you can't take a risk mfana
risk yani classes for kunini ivela la
mara ngathi bani bene basikountela ungahleki nje
sira abantu abakountela abantu
yabo TikTok izothi alcohol mfethu abantu anye bakhuluma into engekho anye abantu bakhuluma into engekho
mari empty lena mos mara lay empty
soba nenkinga
how
thank you so I get drink only hygiene drinks like none ALHOLIK happy birthday mgiftana kanti really buha nokuthula kuyalibuha jwang ke lebuha jwang ngwana yesu ngwana ko hae ke lebuha jwang
kanti lokho yaphuniwe ebusuku how
no ayisho lento wakhula nayo so uthi yena makakhula bekaphupha alontuzana ekomishini so makade uve kuseni kunjalo kunjalo idami
wena mawuyizwa
idami ngabhukuda thank you lebuha yini le isembunzi le it's a Woolies cake happy birthday cake it's a cake from Woolworths
ngosiyambo sisibam nabo thathu wethu niyaphila yini kodwa ngosiyami yomake
ngiyalebuha lungile hey mama ngale Friday happy birthday hey ngitholile idaba he ngizokuyisa
bathi makubhede umuntu ungena mahhala.
Cela sambe.
Asicabanganga.
Asambe.
Sambe ne.
We still have time.
Okay guys, bye bye.
No
man, kahle.
Hawu.
Ngeke sihlale la siboreke. Ibi Gold Reef sithi khona. Asambe baba. Sukuma sahambe. Yekela le phone la. Laba basale laba bazibona ukuthi bayenza.
Singayithanda ne baba yini psychology.
At least nishiyene phone.
Akufani.
Dlala nama game at least enza
something like yeah, but yabo you can talk to this person. Like you can do whatever you want, guys. Santhanda ne. Sorry. Nazo. And asinuka mina like ufuna uzipolish
ngicamba manga.
Sorry ke. Asibheka cause leyo pipe leya isafuna ukhipha kahle amanzi. Ngcono okay. Ulathi yeah. Ngicela ukubuza you can ask. Most definitely you can ask. Can you please? You can ask. Oh, keep check account. Nkosi sami ngaba yini ngaphandle kwenu? South Africa. South Africa. Guys, uLucky ngitsheleni isitori saka Lucky ke manje. Ne? Isitori saka Lucky ukuthi manje akekho happy. Like uyangipretendela. So sengicabanga ukuthi manje ngimnike eyami ibirthday uthi kube eyakhe ke maybe uzoba right. Umuntu akuvusa ekseni. Uyakuvusa umuntu. Okuvusela ukuthi gift emele washe izitsha or ini kanjani ibirthday yami. Like ngiyabuza like okay angali ke like awungithandi mara ngebirthday yami pho wena wazi ungiclinisa. Ngiyami birthday. So akekho happy guys. Like ayikho happy bese uthi mina ngizolala ngamasi namhlanje. Uthi mina ngizolala ngamasi kanjani ngebirthday yami? Why kumele mina ngilale ngamasi in my birthday? Like kanjani? Nah guys, yeah, ngiphinile. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nah, ngiyabonga. So kanjani ngicela ngicela ngijeleni ke nina. Kwenze njani isimpundu? La it's a birthday cake. It's a cake from Woolworths this one. Like line cream line yonke into. Chocolate and vanilla. Thank you so much. So like ikhona into enjalo guys. Like ikhona into enjalo ngebirthday yakho na sekumele uclean. Ngebirthday yakho seba Nkosi yami. Khona ithe guys ngiyabonga. Ngebirthday yakho sekumele manje wenza izinto eziningi. Ngebirthday yakho kumele udla amasi. Leyo sikhathi wena uthi unabo bhuti, uthi une family. They talk truth mabathi you family you get it outside your house where you born. Family you get outside your house where you born. I understand. Angiba blame abantu abasho kanjalo. So you guys are my family. So it's a serious matter. It's a serious matter that family you get it outside. Do you understand? It's a serious matter. Ulakho usaphumile angazothela amanzi swimming pool. Ngisho mina ngithengisa swimming pool. Kwaphuma imali zami kudala ngisesene imali then ngayenza mina ngithengisa swimming pool ngapenda la endlini. Ulakhi akanadwa kokucala. Ulakhi ayikho into ayenzayo. Ulakhi. Namanje uyofuna ngithengele icake manje uthi mina nyolala ngamasi. What's that? Like yini lento leyo into enjani? Ngena ibona phi yena as South African citizens? Iyabonakala kuphi into enjalo? Manje ngangitshela. Serious some emotional damage. Nangu Lucky. Ngiyamthanda uLucky guys. Ngiyamthanda ngoba uLucky like his brother to me like he is a brother to me. So mina naye vele ashem. Vele. Ne guys. Mina naye sathandana. uLucky mfowethu shem no matter what. Awuna manje ukhuthele ukhamanzi cause ukhamanzi manje uLucky uyawakha. Amanzi kumele akhiwe yimi. Mara uyawazi ukwakha. Mara nabo ukuthi enhle unenhliziyo enhle. Like unenhliziyo enhle. Unenhliziyo enhle. Like ngiyamthanda shem. Ubuyile right?
Yeah.
Awakuthendanga. So yeah guys, nginendaba futhi ngicela sivaleni kabhuti wami. Singamtsheli ukuthi manje besikhuluma ngani indaba zethu ngisho. Indaba zethu. Ngingasakuncomi. Hayi nawe. Guys ke ngitsheleni kunabantu bebafuna ukusenza wrong. Kunabantu bebafuna ucela ukugcokela isigcoko le iyasinda. Like yabo kunabantu
njani.
Like
utheni wena ngami la.
Awangisho ukuthi ngithe uyogcwalisa amanzi lapha epholini. bese ngisho next.
Utheni ngami?
Ha guys nifuna ukungimoshela nge-birthday yami. Guys nifuna ukungimoshela nge-birthday yami.
Utheni ngami la? Ngiyakushaya wena.
Mara guys marazi ngibuze akhona nama i-birthday.
Ima kancane beka ifoni phansi ngiyakushaya mina.
Oh mara guys nge-birthday yami mara guys why nenza so kanti manje ngitheni kulaki kanti mina manje ngitheni mina
Wena
kulaki.
ngiyakushaya.
Lucky uthi ugift wena umfunqa amasi. Hayi uyazi ushilo utheki lapha phezulu amasi.
No.
Usho
ngiyakushaya wena.
Azange ngisho kanjalo mina. Azange
Uthi
ungishaya.
ngifunqa amasi.
Like uthe namhlanje udla manje ushilo ku live must before.
No, ngiyabuza ukuthi imizamo yami. Imizamo yami gift ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuthi ulala udlila uyibona.
Ngiyayibona mina
ngimara ka TikTok ukuthi mina
ngilale ngidlela mara like i-birthday yami namhlanje mara ne cake mntasa why bongabhanki mara mara why bongabeki imali like ke
ngithathe
ngoba into engibachazele yona into engibachazele ukuthi
oh wena uthatha imfihlo zala endlini utshela abantu
mara i-birthday yami like mina I do all means ukuthi i-birthday yakhe ibe yinhle noma nginokuncane nginako ngiyakuthengela mina ama-ayoba ngiyakuthengela amahlukosi ngiyakuthengela ini manginemali mina nge-birthday yakhe ngiyakuthengela ama-smoothies ngiyakuthengela i-drink yakhona iyashisa like i-drink yakhona iyashisa ngathi umpuphu
asina fridge
ngathi umpuphu
asina fridge
ungangenzi kanjalo ke manje ungathi ayi mebangangisiza mina mebangangisiza
nedoke njani uthi ido yenzeni wena
yini ido
wena njengoba wazi isilungu kangaka
sliding door like ido uchaza ukuthi ngithena ngilike sakavala sliding door manje yini manje wenza kanjalo
Kithi izinto ezikhulumayo ngami.
Angikhuluma ngintemi net ngiyabachazela mina.
Yi ubachazela bakubuzile nabo uzobachazela.
Angibangibuzanga ngiyabachazela situation
ubatshelelana abantu bangakubuzanga indaba.
Mara like mina ngikhulume ngithule ke mina ngibabukele mina. Ngithule mina bangibabukele. Ngibabukele mina manje.
Wona ngitshela abantu ukuthi ngiyahlukumeza.
Awungihlukumeza ngeke ungihlukumeze mara namhlanje ungihlukumeza. Ay mara like ungangivusa mara okay angali ke. That's all you wanted but ungivusa ekseni.
Angisho bengithi happy birthday.
Mara bring something in the table like you can't just wake up me.
Mara uyazi ukuthi asinamali mos.
Ngiyazi mara you must try ukanti wayibungabeka ama 1 rand uqala ulontuzana kube manje unamalini ubeka ama 1 rand from uqala October or last month if bobeka kahle ama 10 rand kube lapho ikhekhe la September kube lapho ikhekhe la September
mara every day la mos.
Yes ngidla every day mara like mina ucabanga yeah angalu uyapheka mara sometimes ngokupheka uyazi ukuthi angidli gravy bese uyangifakela igravy ngoba ngithenga next night endlini usaba ukuthi
Mara ngihlezi ngixolisa mos. Ngifuthanani. 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 Ungakwadi manje ngifuthanani.
Ngathi ngimoshela ngebirthday yami.
Ngiyaxolisa ngisho.
Ngeyami birthday.
I'm sorry.
Ngeyami birthday wena njalo wenza izinto ezinje.
Ngiyaxolisa mase.
Manje emotional mina. Emotional damage. Emotional damage manje. Emotional damage. Cause manje izinto ngenza sona. Ngoba mina la endlini mina ngithenga next. Mara uyazi ukuthi igrave angidli mara phezulu uyangiphakela. Ngoba uyasenge ngikhuluma nje ithenge uku. Angisho ukuthenga ukudla.
Mara ngazama ukuyikhipha someday mase.
Ngazama ukuyisayithelelana ngoba isesepapeni igrave. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhipha ukusesifobeni. Angisho birthday yami ngikhiphe yonke into. Ngiyabonga kaze uthi happy birthday. Like ngiyazi ngithenga next la endlini. Wena uyathenga nje ama veg nani amantuzana. Manje why mawuphaka uthanda ufake igrave. Enjoy. Angihleki ngiyalinganisa. Angihleki. Alright.
Ezingikhamekile.
Alright. So into enganjalo ke guys. Imali Halloween ha.
Wena ngidla imali yepende.
Give the dema. Give the dema.
Wena uthi ngidla imali yepende?
Imali yepende kanjani?
Naku bathi la wena uthe wena ngidla imali yepende.
Maybe akachaza ipende. blessed birthday. Kuyabonga guys.
Ezinye izinto awuzikhuluma phambi
Yes, mara like mara like ungenzeka angifuni ukukhipha igama ngoba iTikTok izosonduzana but ungenzeka kabi life.
Ngikwenzekabi ngani?
Life okay ngiyabonga ke
Awuna roof wena.
Nginayo roof.
Awugcoki gift.
Ngiyagcoka nginayo roof mara kuna ceiling. Why ke ungafanga nge-ceiling? Ngoba lana makushisa kuyashisa amakwana. Ngifuna ingcono ceiling.
Mara ngathenga ifan nayi. Wathona unama
ifan iflu. Uyabona izinto osithengayo ngoba uyazi ukuthi mina ngisebenza ngeke ngikhuluma wena uthenga ifan wenza ngoba uma iqedwe ivuvuzela la ekubeni uyazi mina nginenkinga yama-sinus. Right.
Ngishoma imizamo mama ngibuka.
Ngiyayibona iyabonakala ngisho bayasoke bayenza iyabonakala imizamo but
ngicabanga ukuthi ubuyelekini once. Ngoba nasekini abana ceiling. Mara bohlala ujabulile. Siyafika la uzenza umuntu othanda ceiling. Ukuthi uyaze lapha nokuyazi ceiling angazi mina.
So manje ukhuluma izinto eso.
Sekumnandi maye mangikhuluma izinto kanje.
So wena ukhuluma izinto eso.
Ngoba kini nane anina ceiling nasekini. Mina at least la access ekhaya.
Guys, to those who are asking me what is this? This is it's a cake, chocolate cake from Woolies. Because like it didn't have money to buy me a cake, so it decided to be here, that cake. I thank God. I thank God for that.
Wow.
Definitely. Hey, ngiyabonga gift ufuna ini. Ngifuna i-cake.
Lesikhulume kahle mina
na. Uyabona guys. Uyabona so one king. Ngifuna futhi ngifuna ngicela i-cake. Selisito. Shoot yancane.
Mhlawumbe.
Eish. Are you a couple? Enjoy your cake from Woolies. Thank you so much. Ngolidla ngo 4:30. 4:30 ngicabanga azi ngithatha ini because there alifuni izinto eziningi. Asifuni abo yini mase English knife. Ayifuna abo knife leli like ulidla ngathi udla i-fork and knife. Gift mara uyakhuluma ayifuni knife but leli ulidla ngathi udla ini i-fork and knife. Ifuna izinto ezingabona lidi like ukuthi ngaqeda awuyi kakhulu vele uthi. Like me, like a colored. I would. Nonchalant. Uhlafuna nonchalant. Kara ufuni. Uhlafuna kara ufuni wanesu. Can I pop Woolies cake, please? Uvula kanjani? Uliphopa kanjani cake ongalithenga tsana?
Ngabe ubatshela izinto eziserious la ukuthi cishe kwenza.
Ima kanjani? Uliphopa kanjani i-cake ongalithenga tsala? Flower girl nkuna uliphopa kanjani wena ikhekhe labantu? Uliphopa kanjani elabantu ikhekhe tsala? Please, uliphopa kanjani? Ha, flower girl. Ha. I'll pay you. Never. Guys, sibe circumstances eyenzakala before. Try drinking a lot of water. I'll keep on doing that, man. Thank you so much. Sibe circumstances ecishe yenzakala. The circumstances. Ha.
Batshela nomuntu obatshela wena.
Ngicela si share mina ngizoqala.
Qala.
Sibe circumstances ne guys la. Kunabantu angeke sibasho ngegama.
Kunebantu la.
Kunabantu lana.
Kunebantu la.
They take advantage.
Bathatha advantage.
John, thank you. Labantu bathatha advantage ukwenzakalani? Khuluma phela.
Bathatha advantage labantu laba. Batakithi. Mabafika labantu labakithi bathi kithi bacela ukuthi siba advertisele, ne? Bacela ukuthi siba advertisele app yabo. Ngintshela ukuthi ke bebathe bacela usente ama video la nge3. Ne? Baba sicela usente ama video la nge3 bathi per video.
6.
Man, ngiyeta lapho per video. Bathe ivideo inye. But awusinike 1000 rand. Lokusho ukuthi mase uhlanganisa ke nawe ithini imali? It's 3k. Okay, sivume vela it's a good thing plus approach December ngomuntu kumele abe nemali.
Approach birthday yami.
Yeah, approach birthday yakhe sina December kumele sibe nemali. Sivume vele siyente vele ivideo ayisijabulile na imali yangena phela manje. Hayi sipathumelele 1. How? Awucethelele ukuthi bathini bantu.
So maye sicela ukushuta ivideo yakhona siyabasendela sithi njani ivideo le. Labantu basitexta ntathakusa. Like ikhona into enjalo like abantu abasebenza kanjani.
Balala nini labantu njengoba sebakwati kusebenza intathakusa.
Ngisabasendela sithi njani but yes perfect. So imali nizoyithola Tuesday. Okay, it's fine. So ilink ifuneke nifake kuphi ku homepage should make bene sifake lapha kune bio khona.
Cabanga letinye into. Uyabona ngivele ngatshela gift ke lapho ngathi uyabona ke mgifthanana. angicali kuphila manje mina ngiyayati into leta nemanga. Ngiyayati into leta nemfinyamfinyi.
So sathi singabatshela ngathi guys listen guys ne. Ngicela sicela ukwenza le video one lawa manje asawayenzi manje bathi manje wena ufuna sikubhadala 3000 for i video ngathi no yazi le ufuna uyibhadala like you can pay it we don't give a damn. Yabo we don't give a damn. Hayi ke bathi bazosenda how many dollars it was $30.
Shuthi basropi batane laba.
Ayisho mina ngifundile esikoleni mangiconvert ingqondo yami yakwazi ukuconvert $30 here in South Africa is gives you boma 540 if I'm not mistaken. Yabo?
Yeah,
right ne? So hayibo 540 ngathi okay it's fine. We gonna post your video. Say post a video.
Bathi phela kumele sibeke ini i-link lapha.
Yeah, bengiyifakile leyo. Bengiyifakile leyo.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Ungakhohlwa kubatshela.
Sabheka ke sesi-editile video seyapost how mayiposta i-TikTok yethu ya-crack like iba nama-cracks hayibo gift kwenzakalani hayi ivume egcineni sifake i-caption laphayana sifake laphaya kuma-comment section i-link isibhale ukuthi hayibo i-link
Sifake i-link iyala.
iyanyamalala kanjalo
Iyala iyanyamalala. Bani seba comment abasibuta i-link guys where's the link
iyanyamalala mase sa-refresha i-video
delete i-video. Siposte kabusha sifake i-link. Ngilale sibona khona ukuthi le link le inenkinga. Le link le kusho ukuthi kahle kahle bebayifake njoba bebathibeke lapha ku profile. Bebentela ukuthi bakhona ukuabsorba ini
yonke account yethu.
You understand? Banathathe ama advantage bantu.
Sina esimukhonzayo
usiphila.
Usistrong. Noma ungazama.
Okay, sabatshela sasesiyipostile video. So obvious abantu abanjengoba sesiposte video ba expect ukuthi kutokwenteka something from a certain lab. You understand? Le khombisa ukuthi account sebayitholile. Mase sibathumela sibatshela ukuthi video siyipostile, bavele bathi okay. How?
Bega, sithi i video siyipostile guys, we posted your video. So but the link is busy going out. Your link is busy going out. Why? Then he replied or she replied and said okay. Since then and they said
asanathi ngabe sicalele phasi savula lenye account edge yeah guys niya understand
so okay ka understand like scam but chelete yabona bayisenditse chelete yabona bayisenditse
and ngiyakutshela mina
ikhona and K32 no but the money on PayPal is on hold yabo it's on hold I don't understand
mara tifuna nokuthi ugcina utibuta abantu ukuthi kwentakalani kumele uvele utibonele nawe nje ungumuntu ukuthi cha labantu ababebathe ngemkhushakhusha phela nje ayikho lenye into le ayikho ivideo khona sivele sayidelete and manje sibona ngani ke ukuthi bokunomkhushe bozama kwenteke mase siposta ema video ethu
hayi leyo yekela leyo yekela leyo there is no need
bese kunebantu ke manje labathi ama video ethu abasawabona ngiyabatshela mina bokunebantu la siposta ama video ethu bathi abantu ema video bathi ansapost ngani Gana phela ngilomkhushe bosozama kwenteke guys just imagine niyathi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuthi ugrow i-account kuthi nje umuntu afike sekatofika athi kuthathe i-account yakho nje akuthembise 500
ha labantu baruti
yeah guys
labantu baruti yar Angel
inzabi iphelele ke le
full stop dot at the end of the sentence paragraph.
It's
your birthday, Samkelo. We are twins, me and you. We are twins, me and you. Come, we'll share the cake. From Woolies. You will take half piece. Eat one piece. I eat one piece. We enjoyed our day. Oh no, brother Sam. Give me some.
Okay.
Tumpepe yona ningaphinde asavumi
ngeke sikhona phela kuhlala singavumi
ima ningaphinde nivume lo yabo into bekutshela yona ukuthi nje
ne
asaphinde
ngeke phela kusonzela na December imali kude
and manje
ngosem sezama lokuhlanganisa
imali and kube manje asikho ngebirthday yami
kube nje manje sikhuluma
lenyenza manje ke kubi
sikhashane siyodlala imali
manje ke kubi
niyayibona ke inkinga ukuthi icala phi inkinga iqala ekuthaneni kunebantu
nihlalaphi around South Africa phela bokhang around South Africa
utane nase
li border like you jump to house from the corner
DS3 uyabala uthi
1 2 3 uyangena
yeah
manje uyasithola but mawukokota funeka upress igate I'll press iso bese uma buqamama you say then your fingerprint escalate to the gate then till the gate open then you just call once not twice call once because when you call twice the dogs will come like okay done then the sliding door in our house is opening then you get in you get us here then after getting us here you stay there
ohlala ethembisa lo yathi ithembise baba
where is Thembisa
ye baba uyayathi ithembisa wena
where is Thembisa like
Baba,
yes I hear
uyayathi Thembisa wena
that name looks familiar they say Thembisa this Thembisa that is a great place by the way because in Thembisa they said there are many fancy places but I don't know thank you so much mina ngeke ngikuthumele mina mara Michelle ayisha ngiboni ayisha mara Michelle mara uthi angeke ngithumele 200 mara Michelle ungangenza njalo
manje wena ucabanga ukuthi akuthumela Michelle
ungena black mara ngicela singabusi
ngazi Michelle ungadlali ngebandla wena
ngicela simsobise Michelle go star maybe someday you'll be the pilot you wanted bani
kunanhlanhla la uthi usonza nemuntu uyamathi inhlanhla awumathi uthi usonza nawe
uyasonza wena give us the cake
sayasonza
nadi nje lase ulwethu ayisho like akangithengelanga akusinto embi yes ayishakana mali namhlanje
shutho njalo
mara likhetha ukuvela la cake likhetha ukuvela la
uyaqonda ukuba ndizame into eziningi kanjani uba le birthday iphumelele ndilwe nemimoya ebusuku elele lo muntu
okay athi okay Michelle athi ngifake account number la
ndimemeza uYesu ndimxelela uba Yesu uzundigcinela ugift umuntu uba athi ndiyabulela utho nje uba ndiyabulela ewe ndiyabulela nami
ubulela ini
ngibulela uba uyabulela ngibulela uba uyabona uba ndizame konke kusemandleni nami uba wena uphile
niphi cake
yekodini
niphi cake
uzongicelela ngekeki yo ndizamile nami
naye ke mntase ekhaya iCapitec
ndizamile uba unwabe nawe
naye ke gift chokuxhosa ucinga ukuba mina andiyazi Xhosa ucinga ukuba ngiyasazi Xhosa ngoku ngiyasazi
into ethetha yakodini uthetha into ephilileyo man phethe ububhanqa apha yo
hi Thongile like how are you doing Sally
so mna ndikwazi uthetha isiXhosa
okay no problem Michelle
ndikwazi uthetha iSwati ndikwazi uthetha isiZulu neSpedi neSitsonga ndiyathetha nje into ezininzi yaqonda
how much do I need
ndiyathetha nje into
from 5 friends that amount
ufuna yenza ntoni le mali
nesiswati
ndiyakwazi uthetha iSwati bendithetha sona speak song ndizasithetha ngoku ndizawubona uma ndiqala phi ndizawubona so guys nibe nemini emnandi today how to learn those language like Xhosa but it's hard no mntakwethu inoba
busy ngena ama WhatsApp la yazi
ifuna lanto ye patience lento ne and it helps when you are watching a lot of soapies with the language that you want to learn uyayiqonda lento endiyithethayo if ufuna ufunda iXhosa
la kubambeleni la
ngixelele kahle uba ndiyeke ndizawuyeka ungalwi
nomthandazo don't play like that because when you play like that you are playing with fire without any ashes
bengisikhuluma manje Swati ngisikhulume kule live isaqala yabona nje manje siphakathi kwe live Swati ngiqale ngase sesibe ngikhuluma sona nje ngitshela nangi-gifts
ngiyavuma
bengitshela nangi-gifts ayikho into lengingakwadi ukuyikhuluma mina kodwa ke sesiphume lapho sengila esiXhoseni
yes after Nicola I'll check after live DM
uNicola ukutextile
yes
ukutextile ntoni
go WhatsApp indaba zethu
indaba zenu
yes
ithetha ngantoni ku
utsena kayi mowe utsena kayi ushawo bani esiphongo bhuti no
niyakhumbula la colleague angixelele ngawo kuba ifuna umbetha pha emsebenzini ndamxelela lo mjida ndathi it's either uyeka ispan
hello offense
uthole esinye ispan uzawufesa lo mjida
mara nami ngimthintile hayi nami ngimthintile uthe makathi punch ngathi jab makathi punch ngathi jab
yaqonda ukuba lento
makathi punch ngathi jab
ayizubohla lento
makathi punch ngathi jab
izawubohla after 5
makathi punch ngathi jab
yonke uzawanje
ngathi ngicela ningibambeni bangibamba ngathi ngicela ningiye ngamenzani ngamuthi bhekani ngamuthi angibamba so zange ngidry kanje angithi umuntu ngazibona sengifly
ngixelela liza kubetha
ngazibona sengifly le bar ngiyisile yong ingishaya imali
nimxelela umjida ndathi izambetha lapha
ingishaya imali
akafumana umsebenzi ombi
ingishaya imali mal
ambethile ngoku uyaqonda ukuba lento izawubohla after iviki yonke
don't manifest that thing because izosuma don't
ndike ndabetha umuntu ndiyayazi lento ndike ndabetha umuntu mna ne ndabetha umuntu like
don't manifest
ndamgomba
gift ngishade
wabanje
ngishade lobola looks like pimple though yes it's
ayo pimple le bambethile lo muntu bamgombile
like manje wawutshela abantu ke ngoba abantu bazibonela into abantu
inyani nje yekodini ufuna ndingathethi inyani bakubethile
ungenaphi wena
yo ngizakuyeka mina ngoku
ngenaphi
ngizawunxama
bangithethile leso sikhathi unobhuti mawuceda ubhuti wakho ngiyamtshela bhuti kunenkinga emsebenzini maceda umuntu wakhona athini
ndixelele ndikunikeze option ndathi it's either ulwa nalo muntu uyambetha lo muntu if awumsabi awumoyiki lo muntu ilwa naye ke if uyamoyika fumana umsebenzi omnye ndixelele mna if umuntu ndiyamjonga ne before ndizama ulwa naye ndiyamjonga uba okay izanhlula le bar ndenza njani ndiactor as if like ndinxamele somewhere ndiyamchiya uyayiqonda lonto
when can we see your gift yes ngikhona thank you qhubeka la Michelle ngiyaleboha so much god bless you each and every day
yo kodwa imxhosa wenkani
ngiyaleboha
sutsho lonto
hi
ntoni ngokulento yenzayo kodwa hayi
yazi impukane mayisi
yeah man hlala nenkwenkwe kaloku
ungathi ngumkenke wangibiza
angichongo njalo
ngikwenkwe phansi kwenyawo ungathi ngumkenke ngipefde yami ungangibizi kanjalo ngiyakuhlonipha hayi ungathi ngumkenke hawu ngiyakuhlonipha ngihloniphe ke
wakwazi mfondini
ngibize kusasa ngenkwenke ungathi namhla ungathi ngimkenke
ufuna ndithethe nawe njani
hayi ungathi ngumkenke
uyinkwenke
yawazi umkenke kulento emhlophe phansi kwenyawo lakho ungathi
ngimamele ndithi kuwe uyinkwenkwe
hawu ungathi ngumkenke umkwenke yini uyimkwenke ngumkenke hayi ungakhipha inhlamba thank you Colin
molo sibonga uyinkwenkwe mfethu uyile wena entabeni awuyanga
ngaya mina entabeni dala ngiya masofuna ubumba saya intabeni
awuyondoda wena uyinkwenkwe
ungathi umkenke like ngiyacela like ngiyacela ngiyakuhlonipha ne I respect you ne brother like I respect you a lot ne
ngiyacela
don't rumate ungangimosheli
ngomba ungathembi
ngangimosheli umlanga
sunibamba ngizangomba
ngangimosheli ilanga please
sufuna ubona uba kangakanani
thank you Polok
ngidlula le nto
ngiyacela please
ngizamkhupha elinye idumba
ngizakukhuphela
idumba mina ngoku mfana
ubani
akakwenzanga nto lo muntu okubetha apha ngizangomba mina anizukubetha ngizangomba mna
please don't ruin my day please
ndicela uxolo anizicela uxolo mfethu ngifana ndiyixelela nangoku inkwenkwe le inkwenkwe
ungathi umkenke ngiyacela ungangibiza ngomkenke ngiyacela
sending love from Eswatini siyabulela
ngiyacela
like ngowasebhayi andingowasebhayi but ndine-relative phaya ndine-relatives
sine-relatives ebhayi
eyi uyathanda uzenza mna mfethu
like yanshi birthday amele uvume into engiyishoyo hayi
yo mfethu no man
ya okay sorry uzenza wena mara ungathi mina ngumkenge ngiyacela nisafunda
uzagqitha phaa kwesa stage mfethu
yebo
wait you guys are Xhosa no not both of us mna ndingumXhosa but yena ke uyintoni wena uyintoni
colored colored
yo kodini anzithetha nawe into
thank you with the birthday wishes thank you guys ne yes
Sure.
yes guys I mean I'm colored I'm masticular I'm both like ankere okay back I'm both colored ne me so my dad the story is emotional like so emotional
mara ya kgonala mara
no every time I talk about it.
mara ha le sheba lena ya kgonala ya etseha gore motho a ka ba colored le le so
Every time I talk about my dad, my heart beats faster.
jwanong papa o dirileng ke eng o shapile
Every time I talk about my dad, my heart beats faster.
ayo eo mfethu nna ke a o botsa nna personally
So, okay, guys, since you are saying it's not possible, what are you trying to say? You wanna ruin my birthday, you guys. You wanna ruin my birthday. You can't say, I'm telling you.
gore wena maka fela ha ona ntho engwe
Tshwarelo.
tshwarelo la ko kae
Tshwarelo, I accept. I accept the reason that you are behind
ke
me.
cake ba o rometse
Le tshuti ke a leboha ka keke ne ka e bona ko screening ke a leboha
mme o tshwana bona
ke a leboha ngwaneso
ha o tshwane boy
ile WhatsApp
ya ke la WhatsApp
so why
Ke tsebe
ngoba
hore
ukho ku WhatsApp
a ke yo ko WhatsApp mara ba nromela di messages tsa hore WhatsApp data ya ka ya fela ko re tse dingwe le tsona mara
ek wegnet via sosia sintu acting me to speak Afrikaan
king yo
ek wegnet via sosia
ka re o lekulanyana
ek never me hayibo senibuyele ko refsis besingakayi
Ari a re na tšhelete mfethu tshwanetse re be le tšhelete ya Uber wa understand ntho
when I say ek wegnet via sosia I say I love you guys I love you so much within my heart, within my emotional, within my physical. I love you physically with my hands. I love you spiritually with my emotional damage, like inside.
How I'm fit.
Yeah.
How I'm fit. O ska etsa jwalo ko bathong ba.
Sengshel.
Bana ba batho tshwanetse ba believe ntho engwe le engwe e bulelang.
I lenta iso.
Esa drink sense. Le lena la dumela, with my physical Africans from team. Ya wena wa ibona fit. Ke yona. Ke eng mfetho mara tse dingwe ke di jealous wetse ntho e dirang ne nkgopotsa primary nna le ntwana engwe so ha ke bulela answer like nna ne ke le
na bakethi amandrebele bengikhambile kunyaka lo odlule bengikhambile ngiyakhamba kulonyaka ozayo ngiyakhamba
ningesikoti me
ngiyakhamba
ningesikoti nkombela rivalelo ntafamba me ningesikoti ku tshama hansi na munhu lwe azama ku endla
guys if you are new asking me what is this is a Woolies cake since like it didn't buy me a cake full stop please thank you so much carry on senga
kaso mayanzani mfethu
I feel like you're mazwane shem sorry mazwane so misacolisa sikhana sibona
mazwane ulaba kurini
ingoma yaya asikhambe fo bomkhethu sakhamba fo ke urege fo tshela
give sima ka muni we kasi Imakamuni we.
Are you sitting on top of him? Nentani lapho. Thapelo Alice, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I hope your day is fantastic. I hope your day is phenomenal. I just hope everything is okay. Yes, thank you so much. Bapha abantu. Oh, like ugcine wayikhipha leya mali oyitshontshile. Like ngayikhipha, ngwenza
Alavi kubulabula imali leyo.
like ureala.
Zakaleyo ningesikoti kubulabula hiyo cause inebabisa ngofu. Yon babisa ngofu from day one. Nitshame hansi na mfana lwe. Se anitshama hansi na yeye nimkombela kahle. Neri gift at least mfethu. Nikombela ubuyisa kami R10 nyana. Wow, sopoti ntazama ke ni understand kume nawe woba na something nyana. Woba na ribalelo ka we ku woteka mali ya mina. Wena shem. Bakuthakate khale we. Ayikona le we bakuthakate khale. Ene munhu wako bamdlayile na yena. Cause asikotakali leswi swi endlaka sweswi. Wasitiba ku ri
Ayikho into engangihluli.
kungaba na munhu la
Mina
asikota ku yingisela. Asikota ku yingisela leswi swi endlaka, ne? Wasitiba ku ri wena loku wendla di sign language tse.
Lucky, please speak English for now because
Okay, guys, then I'll speak English. English is
yes,
one of the best languages that I love.
I speak Tsonga.
So what are you doing here? Your hand. Just make sure that you don't get me dirty.
La uthi ayikho into. There is nothing that beats me. Ayikho into engangihluli.
So you think so?
Selobedu so
Does it make sense to your head? Like, come on, bro.
Hi.
No ways. Nigga.
Nah, man, you can't do that. Like guys, yeah. Guys, shoot umuntu
I
onje.
don't like the way you articulate yourself, man. Please. I don't like the way you articulate
So
yourself.
ngitshela ungangitsheli nge-art.
I think you should.
I-art mina azange
I'm not
ngiyenze.
talking about arts.
Ungangitsheli
I'm talking about the way you
nge-art.
articulate
I-art azange
yourself.
ngiyenze mina esikolweni. Mina bengenza i-physics ne-geography ne-life science ne-English. I-English
But then you
home
don't
language.
sound like one person who did that.
Because why? I understand the environment.
Which environment?
I conclude everyone would to be in my shoes to understand. I make
What do you mean
simple
you
for
conclude
people.
everyone?
Utsena guy.
Are you trying to say you accommodate people?
Utsena guy. Utsena guy.
Is that what you mean?
Utsena guy. Mara spenduleni guys, we are curious. Curious about what? Ma'am, can you ask the question again?
Yo, this guy.
Oh, sorry, man.
Oh, you're not the best person ever. You're actually the most delusional person I've ever met. Hey,
Tuli. Ini.
no, it's fine. I won't pardon myself again and again.
You say Tuli. You say
What is
Tuli.
that? What do you mean?
Right.
Yo, this guy.
Right. Right.
One thing for sure. Sometimes I forever try to accommodate you, hey, when it comes to such things.
No,
For no reason, you never
we are
do.
not doing this. The problem is that like you don't understand.
No, this is just a misunderstanding.
Yes.
This guy thinks he can challenge me, you know, when it comes to some other stupid things. And it won't work, okay?
So you're stupid, man.
I didn't say you're
You're
stupid. I
stupid,
talked
man.
about stupid things that you keep on
Stupid-
saying that are
stupid.
stupid.
I take that as a compliment. Thank you so much.
Is it a compliment
I don't give a damn.
that I said you are
I
dumb?
don't give a
You
damn.
think that's a compliment?
I don't give a damn. Like it's language, strong language, 18 VL, strong language.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like the
Ha
language.
ha ha, funny.
Zokushala. La.
Go ahead. Try me and see.
Itumelong likoko. Okay, like ngicela siphendule le question le cause manje they are busy asking this question each and every day. Guys, we are not in a relationship. We are not in a relationship, we are in a situationship. Full stop. I will never answer those questions again.
Okay, let
and
me
again.
see. What's the question again?
Are you in a relationship?
Are you dating?
Are you dating?
I believe we are. Are we dating?
Yes.
Yes. Are we in a relationship? No. There's a difference between dating.
Manje wangitsipela
No. There's a difference
vele
between
bengafuni
dating
ukuvuma,
and
bengifuna
being in a
ukuthi- yeah.
relationship.
Manje
So
na-
me and him, we are dating.
Yes.
Dating means getting to know each other more better again and again. We keep on getting to know each other. I'm one
Amen.
person, I'm so inquisitive when it comes to my surrounding, getting to know them better and being updated with the person that they've become. So we are not in a relationship, one thing for sure. Is that clear, guys? And we'll never date.
Yes. We are dating, we'll never date.
We are dating, we'll never be in a relationship. Sorry about that.
So young
La robalana, nah. No.
Ke mang o?
That is so
Ke mang
harsh,
o?
Manash.
Ha ehle
Manash.
na. Ha ahle. Ha
Ha
ahle.
ahle wena.
Ha.
Bathong, King.
Ha manashi.
La robalana.
Ha. Ha
Yeah,
ribana runa hle, please ribana. Ha ribana hle, rena haneleng, rena haleleng. Ra le kopa. Ha ahle.
No, so
Ah.
it's you know. As a person, you need to keep on giving people answers that they're looking for.
Ah man.
Even if you've been giving people the same answer. But yeah, you just have to understand ukuthi akusiwo wonke umuntu ozo understand into batshela yona. Awungeke ngisize vele ngokuthi ngifake le charger la.
Mate yakusiza.
Mara ngisizanga. So ube ngithi awusebenzi empilweni. I think we're running out of data. Kili 1K, that question to kids is wild.
Ah, it's too wild, man. It's too wild.
Don't explain your personal lives to other people. No. Yes, I think it's because we've allowed people to be in our personal lives.
As I said, tlohelang, kana iring, what did I say?
Banahana hore maphelo a rona a kwa matsohong a bona.
Banahana hore maphelo a rona a bo matsohong ha bona. Kanti tjhe, matsoho a bona a bo maphelong tsa rona. A ke itse why. A ke itse why. Hobaning. Yeah, please. Please. Like I don't please read this.
People tend to get too comfortable and lose respect.
Most definitely.
I think it's the field that we decided to be in, you know. This is a space of getting insults daily. Khona umuntu ongafika kimi and decide not to like my eyebrows, and there's someone else who's gonna come and say I have good eyebrows. It's just coming with variation of how people think, and you have to take everything.
Wena uikazi lami wena ufunde kimi English. Noma like noma ungeke usho ne. Noma ungeke usho ne like English ufunde kimi wena. Yeah, noma bangathini.
You know? And someone else will say
No guys, we're just asking
a simple question.
We're not offended. We'll never be offended in life. Never offend. That's a huge name, not for us, but we'll never get offended. Never. Yeah, never. Us offended. We are not attempt to get offended. We are just simple.
One thing
those who are
I've
saying
learned
50
in life, whatever that you choose to digest, you become. So if you choose to be someone in life who pays attention or someone who misunderstands questions, to me questions are showing inquisitivity. To me questions are showing how...
Like it's a gift. We must accommodate everyone. Everyone is clever, but some they need more information. They need to understand it further. So just say, when I say acquisitive, just say, please explain to them. I'll try to explain.
Please explain to them.
No. Start again.
No, I can't go back.
Oh, I'm a message about things in minute.
No, guys, I sing English engaka. You know, one thing about me, I love having knowledge.
Should I pull out my dictionary? No, I'm a dictionary. I'm AI. Efficient, intelligent.
Okay. Give them the meaning behind it.
Which name?
The one I just said.
Please repeat.
Inquisitive.
Pardon?
Inquisitive.
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 I have tongue problem.
Yo.
So the problem, okay, when you say like
You're gonna be furious right now.
like uzoba fast and furious, like uzoba fast,
What is
furious.
to be furious? Can't.
Like I fast and furious, like uzoba furious, uzoshesha,
That's
uzokhuluma
not what
fast.
I meant. But it's okay. Keep going. Ilihlo lika lakhe when you speak English.
Ufundela ngisho. Mina bengimtshela lo mntanami ngingwanaka.
Ah.
So ngiyamtshela ukukhula kwakhe bengimtshela ukuthi when you speak English don't just say, just do your eyes like
How?
when you speak English do like
Okay.
eyes like.
Okay. Itathathami le-WhatsApp lidliwa yini?
Kimihlo la hayi ukuthi ngingena ama video la. Ngiyanisa. Urata wakini namratuwa. When are you going to see? Ulele.
Yini into ofisa ukuyenza before kuphela unyaka gift?
What a good question, but not in the right time. I'm focusing on today, my birthday. I'm going to answer you tomorrow.
Okay. What
Yeah.
is your wish for your birthday?
My wish. My wish. Besides start stating a wish, I just love to thank God for this day.
Mm.
I just love to thank God because I've been living, man. Years and years, I'm still alive. Years and years, I'm still working. Years and years, I'm still eating. Years and years, I'm still drinking a cold drink.
Okay. So are you thanking God for that?
I am thank God for the gift of life.
Okay.
I thank God for the love. That
Oh man.
yes, nothing much. I just thank Him. Thank for the life that I have, even though there are many circumstances. But this is a road that I must go, that I must follow.
Which road?
The one God gave me. I just thank God because why?
What is your
Sometimes
road?
listen here.
You
Listen
mean
to-
like passion?
listen here. I'm not there. The bad things that come, I'm not there. I'm talking about the negative things that come through our lives. That shows when we pray. That shows God. God doesn't just shift them, but He give us strength. God give me strength to fight those things, to remove those things in my life, to understand. Yes, I just thank God, man. God is a creator. God is my birthday. Like without God, this day will not me. To understand. Yes, nothing much, nothing less.
Okay, don't you wanna make a wish for your birthday?
Because now many people said here on TikTok, I wish you give the happy birthday. I wish
No,
you so
make a
there are
wish.
many wishes. So why me?
Make a wish. Make a wish to your life. Make a wish.
Okay, so my wish to God or
Aibo. Make a wish, Baba. Make a wish.
Don't get mad.
Okay, sharp. Make a wish.
Okay, a wish. I wish I can be happy.
So you're not happy now?
I'm happy. I wish to be blasted with happiness because the happiness that I have, yes, I'm always happy and whatever, but I wish to be blasted.
What
like,
makes you happy?
like
What makes you happy
what makes you happy?
in life? What makes you happy?
Because I'm waking up.
What makes you happy
Waking
in
up.
your life?
Okay,
Okay,
up.
waking up is part of the reason why a person is living on earth. So what makes you happy maso uvugile? So uvugile, okay, sharp. You are alive, uvugile.
Teeth, brushing teeth.
But I think what?
Like
Nothing. Utsini, talk to me.
Like okay, like please ask a question again, Perrin.
What makes you happy in life? Like in life generally, so in life. What makes you happy?
There are many things that makes me happy.
Mention one.
There are many things.
Mention
Please
one.
give me toothpick. Don't you have a toothpick?
No, we don't have.
Earbud.
For?
Earbud. I wanna brush.
For what?
I wanna brush my ears.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, later on.
Okay, no problem.
Later on.
No problem. So tell me, like,
Mm.
what's happening in your upper body, in your up here, in your upper body, in your
What's happening? Armpits.
yes.
My armpits.
Yes, what's happening?
I'm
Because
actually having ingrowns.
yes, because you are yes. So why it's not your birthday, but you are mailing these things in your armpits. But me,
I'm old enough
I'm bald.
to have such things.
What's in English?
Yini?
Bald. I'm bald here. I'm
Okay.
empty. But I'm birthday, sorry. I don't know why.
Okay,
Yes.
good,
Cool.
good.
I love your accent. That shows how me as a teacher.
What do you mean you love my accent? What accent do I have?
Like you have the accent that I was using while I was in primary. You see the way you are talking. I was talking like
Okay.
that when I was primary. The way you are talking.
When you were in primary?
Yes. I was
So
talking
you were
like that.
speaking like this?
I was talking exactly
You
like
were
that.
speaking
Your
like
accent,
this.
yes. Yes. Exactly like that. But I moved on. I grow. You will grow. You will understand.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
But then I don't believe I'm one person who has a mastered articulation.
You listen.
And
I'm
when-
telling you.
And worse when it comes to especially when it comes to accents, I'm not best when it comes to that.
To me,
that
because
form.
don't undermine my work, because I'm a teacher. So when you are saying less of yourself, you are saying less of myself. I'm saying you are the best. You must take that and go with it. Face the world.
I won't take it, but I'll appreciate it.
Thank you so much. As long as you appreciate it, fan, it seems like you take it. Thank you so much. Move on.
Okay.
Yes. Hi, birthday. Mbalisto. How are you doing? Hey, tlingiwe. Hi,
So
bo.
far, what makes your day special?
My day.
Do you think your day is special today?
My day is more than special. More than the way I think.
Ake nicule happy birthday ngesizulu hle. Can you sing happy birthday?
No, I don't know Sizul properly.
Okay, cool.
But I love Sizul.
Let's keep speaking then.
Yes.
And it's a good thing since you wanted to go to Big Brother, so you need to know how to speak.
Let us not tell people what's it.
Okay, cool.
Yes,
It's a
yes,
surprise.
It's a surprise.
Just act as if you didn't get it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So what makes your day special so far?
Like you've been asking that question a lot, man. I don't want to reply it because I will get emotional. Oh, especially these people. These people are my people. They said the family you get outside of your house, not in a
They
bad
said
way.
what?
Not to offend you. The family you get outside of your house, the great family you get it. So
I don't
love
get what
people.
you're saying.
You'll never get it. You get it on another day. Another day.
What are you
another
saying?
solar. Another solar.
What are you saying?
I was thinking. Yeah, today I'm not laughing. Like today I'm not laughing. Today. I know why.
Let's ngigwabisa ikhanda khona into abafuna ukuyibona.
Guys, yabona mangawine Big Brother. Like I show like sinamaphupho. So mangawine Big Brother ne, like mina kule 2 million ngizobona ukuthi ngiyenzani. Ngicela ninginikeni ama-account wenu, ama-account number wenu. Ukuthi manje mangiwina ne Big Brother, mangithola leya 2 million, like mina ngizonikeza imali each and every person. Phela 2 million niya ngeke uyicede uyi1, like iyagulisa imali. Iyagulisa. Is TikTok paying you? Ngicela ukuphendula ngesizulu. Cha. Ngoba ngizokhuluma nge-English then kuba nenkinga. So 2 million, I will split it in quarters. Quarters. Thank you so much. Quarters. Then I will give the. Hey. Where? Hey. I will give you, Shem. I don't have a heart. I don't have a.
Sami siyashayina cabanga.
I don't have a bad heart.
No, angisho ngisigeza ngeshampoo. Angigezi ngensipho engigeza ngayo like umzimba.
It's a no gift.
No.
Okay, sorry.
Angithengelanga.
Ubhale lapho, yeah. Candy 2075400365 ubhale lapho. Candy what?
I-account number ngisho ubathembisa ukuthi uzosplit imali.
Oh, yes. La ulike mamelani guys. Account number ngizosenda ulike yosala ne-account. Uye lo ozolibele izinto ezikanje. Angisho mina ngizobengile bese nangiset up bese vote. Hle.
Usiqoba ngani like? Understand.
Ukama ngani?
Oh, like bengithi ziphothekile like nucleus. Oh. Okay, bengithi ziphothekile. Oh, hayi. Like ngizenza ngama threads so.
Yazi gift like it doesn't in your English ngibonile.
Yabo.
Hey.
Yeah.
Write a sign 80 actual because they keep asking.
Hayi ucoba ngani?
Ne?
No, angicobisi next. Ngisigeza ngeshampoo ngisule. Sometimes ngenza ngathi ngenza ama dreads. That's when ngezi yenza ngathi
Do you guys able to read
Because angisho mina
all the
ubaba wami
pop-up
like, yabo. Yeah.
comments? No. Don't think maybe we are mising some of because they are fast. They are going fast. So
Your bros like it. Damn. Thank you. Damn.
like
Thank
this
you.
thing is a Woolies cake. It's a cake. I've been explaining this, guys. This is a cake from Woolies because like he didn't buy me a cake, but that's not a bad thing. I understand he doesn't have money. Wild.
Yeah.
Ubando loyo vele ngicela asiveze ukuthi asho kahle ngizomqhumina nyaqomana akasho umuntu athi gift. I think like mara funeka approach in a nice way, like she must come to me and say, hey gift, then I will say hi, then she say, man, I think you, then I will say, no problem, let's go where, I don't know, what do you want? Then yes, it's simple as that. Akufuneka uthi ini lena uzu unginyede usho ukuthi ugift nyamtha uminye ngenhliziyo yakho like ihosa. Come to me
Ngizongishobanisela yazona. Ngiyakutshela.
come to me sorry.
Samele ngiyo perform mina.
Yeah, athini conquer lead. Thank you definitely, but I wish I can do pimple popping please with money. Wow. How Qualini? How
Limilizolo.
how Qualini? How please
give
Kireke.
his flowers with money ngoba wow.
Wow, like
Uyawathola
what's
kubani?
like kanti mara wawunegative kubantu ba
Ngiyabuza. Umbuzo.
it's a question gift money.
Hayi ungangibuzi.
Martin
Bathula ukuthengele ini. Leyo sikhuluma sisoyi2 angisho.
ngicela ukukhuluma like
No, leyo phela into ukuthi yabona into like thina si decide ukuthi ibe private singatsheli umuntu. Singatsheli umuntu. Into esiyidecidile. Ukuthi like akekho umuntu owazowazi ukuthi like is decide ukuthengelana ini kanjani.
like in Antonia.
Like you don't be jealous you'll get. No, we decided like yi decision esiyenzile. Special ukuthi asitsheli bantu ukuthi makuyi birthday ubani uthenge ini kanjani. You understand? Like into leyo nawe mawuthola ama present awutshela abantu ukuthi ubani uthenge ini ngoba bazoxabana.
Yes.
Bazoxabana abantu ngoba umuntu uzokuthengela into enkulu ukudlula loyana mara still nayiphuma othandweni.
Yes.
Uyayibona? So yeah, umuntu akabuzwa ukuthi uthengelwe ini kanjani.
Why angabuzwa?
Ngoba ixabanisa abantu abathenga ama present. Because ama present awafani guys, you know? Awafani.
Kanti wawu explain kangaka kahle wathi umthengeleni ugift. Simple question.
No.
Why mele
Akumele umuntu umtshele.
like for president angeke. Guys,
nasentenga. No, umuntu awumtsheli. Awumbuzi futhi ukuthi ubani wenzeni kanjani. Uyamnikeza umuntu into omnikeza yona. Phelele lapho. Cause manje maseniloku unitshelana ukuthi okay uzibani yena wathenga wena wathenga khona ozokwata. Uyabo? So yeah.
yes. Like his situation. Guys, thank you so much for everything. So word of the day from Lucky, then it comes to me. Then we are good to go.
Word of the day.
Yeah, please give people word of the day.
Word of the day. Be happy no matter what.
No matter what, you are done.
No matter what. Be happy no matter what.
Why no rude? Lento isho.
Inoburuti kanjani?
Yo, bear. Yo.
TikTok leya.
Yeah, we built to send money gun.
Oh, hey, beauty. No, be happy no matter what.
Oh, okay. Word of the day from me. Then we are good to go, guys. If there is a cake you wanna send, we are coming on
Liyaphela le data
inbox.
phangisa.
Yes. Word of the day, guys. If the data runs out, meaning we are out.
You word of the day leya. Okay.
Word of the day. Drink water. Thank you.